how has your partnership with OwnBackup provided peace of mind for you as executives here at Zenconnect?
Okay, I always mention to my customers they should ensure that they keep their data safe. Mm-hmm. It means not only for production, but all the data they keep about their customers. And by having OwnBackup, we can do that, and this ensures the peace of mind I needed. Moreover, we are now compliant with GDPR.
Yes, and the data is our business. Mm-hmm. So yes, it's very important for this company.
Yeah, so you can go on vacation, you can sleep well at night knowing that not only are you GDPR compliant, but your data is safe. Yeah. So it sounds like this is a very important part of your overall business process and really how you're running your business here at Zenconnect. But how has the partnership been with OwnBackup?
Okay, at Zenconnect, when we choose solution, we are not only looking for suppliers, but for partners. And the way we work with OwnBackup, and I think Johan can agree, we see them as partners, and they deliver good services. They always improve it, and we definitely want to rely on them to improve it.
It's amazing.
And looking forward, what's next for your partnership with OwnBackup and Salesforce?
Yes, for my part, I would like to implement OwnBackup for other integration and other systems. Mm-hmm. Yes, because I need to save other data for other systems, example the email, etc. Yes.
So take the powerful thing that you've got going with Salesforce and OwnBackup and extend.
Absolutely.
Extend to some of our other core partners, like obviously you were mentioning eBay, but we can think about infrastructure or things like that. So,
so lots of opportunity in store.
Lots of opportunity.
Excellent.